That's me. Brandy's coming in for her first at-home tub. Your first at-home tub. Oh, just with Brandy's. Come on, girlie. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. It's okay. It's okay. You're not scared of the water, are you? Answers? Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Oh, you took her collar off. I got no way to hold her. Stay down, babes. It's okay. We're just gonna, no. Gonna have a quick little tubby. Just a little bit of soapy. Now, wipe off that puke from the car the other night. That's all we want to get you off. That's all we want to get off you. Oh, you smell good already, lavender. No, you stay right there, baby. Brandy, don't hurt yourself, sweetie. Your tail. Yeah. Oh, you smells like a fresh dog. You don't smell so dog-like now. Which is good. Now, hold tight, baby. It's almost done. We'll make sure you're good and rinsed, sweetie. Yeah. I want to get your underbelly. Stand up for daddy. Yeah. Come here. Splish, splish. Splish. Splish, splash. I'm taking a bath. It's all about being a toiler derpy, isn't it? Derpy toiler. It's all about being a derpy toiler. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's also good now, huh? You feel a bit better? Now here. Get your towel. Hey! Don't do that. You'll hurt yourself, you silly bean. Yeah. Oh, that makes you smell fresh. Makes you smell fresh, hey? Good. Girls. Dry that tail on that leg. Here now. Get your underparts dry. Huh? Oh, the good girls. Oh, the good girls. Say bye to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Here we go now. Let's go.